Are you looking for a way to increase your sales efficiency? Want to streamline your sales process and keep track of customer interactions? You're in luck. With Zoho CRM, you can digitize your sales funnel and automate your sales process in as little as 2 weeks. One of our clients, a leading North American provider of smart energy solutions, had a challenge. They were manually updating data for every lead in their pipeline and tracking sales progress with pen and paper. This was taking up a lot of their valuable time and resources. That's when they turned to customization to get help moving away from clunky files to a more comprehensive platform. To stand up a functioning Zoho CRM in just 2 weeks, we supplied the following: CRM configuration, sales process setup using Blueprint, emails and agreements automation, integration with Outlook, Twitter, Facebook, Zoho Sign, Zoho Writer, data migration, reports in Zoho CRM. With Zoho CRM, the sales team has a centralized hub for all of their data, processes, and customer interactions. The sales process is clearly defined and implemented in CRM, allowing the team to optimize daily schedules and prioritize communication tasks. Detailed reports on customer data help the team push leads to loyal customers much quicker. Zoho CRM is the perfect, simple, and fast solution for businesses looking to automate their sales process and reduce client churn. With Zoho, businesses can digitize their sales funnel, keep track of customer interactions, and maintain a central hub of data. And the best part? This can be done in as little as 2 weeks. Explore how Customization's Quickstart Zoho CRM can get your business up and running on Zoho.